Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Mikey from the new Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle Mutant Mayhem movie. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with Mikey from the new Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Mutant Mayhem, let's begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start here and I'm just going to make a nice big circle for an eye. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here, just a nice big circle shape for the eye. I'm going to make a little pupil in here, and I'm going to color in most of it. And then I'm going to make a big sad face shape like this for the nose. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up. We're going to come over and down. Then I'll make a curved line on each side. Then I'll bring this line across. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a big smiley face shape. And then a little line that's going to go down and up. Then I'll make a line across for the teeth. And I'll draw some little lines that come up here. And we'll make another line across with some more little lines coming down. And you can just color in the middle part so you can see where the teeth are. Next, we're going to make a line that's going to come down and then back up. And a little line that comes across here. We'll make two little lines right here too. Now right here, I'm going to make a half circle for his bandana. And then I'll make a line that's going to come up, over, and up. And same thing, up, over, up, and then connect it. Same thing here, up, over, and up, over, and then up and connect. Now I'm going to make two little lines that come down for the neck. And then I'm going to make a line across. I'm going to make a line that comes down here, and a line that comes down here for the front of the shell. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come down, and then back up. Now right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up, or out, and then we'll go up here. And then I'm going to make a little line that's going to come out, and then down here. For the fingers, let's make a line that's going to come around, it's going to go over and in, almost kind of like a rectangle. And then I'll make a line that's going to go up, over, and down. And another one will go over, down, and in. We'll make a little line in. And we're just going to come down and then back into here. Right here, let's make a little line that's going to curve around. And then come down. We'll make another one that's going to curve around. We'll bring this down, and we'll make a little line that's going to come around like this. Then we're going to go up and into here. Now, over here, let's make a line that's going to come out, and then we're going to come in. And then same thing, we're going to come out and in. We're going to go down and curve around. And another one's going to curve around. Let's do the same thing here. We're going to go down and curve around for a toe. Then we'll do the same thing here. We're going to come up and in, and same thing, up and then in. I'm going to go up here, and we'll bring this in for the leg. Same thing here, just bring this line up, and we'll come right into the leg. Now for the shell, I'm going to draw a line that comes down. It's going to come to here, and it's going to curve right there. Same thing, little line down, and then we'll just connect it to here. We'll make a little line around and down to here. A little line around and then bring it down to here. Then we'll just curve this here. Now let's add some details. I'm going to make a circle in the middle, and then we'll put an M on there for Mikey. We're going to draw a line that comes all the way out to the shell. We'll make 2 of them. And then same thing here. 2 lines all the way out to the shell. And don't worry about those lines. We'll color that in later. We'll make a line down. And we'll make a line right here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make 2 lines. And then 2 more lines over here. I'll make 2 lines here, and then 2 lines right here. I'll put 2 lines here, and then I'll put 2 lines over here. And then I'll add a couple little lines on the shell too, just for a little bit of detail. Now for his nunchucks, let's go ahead and draw a line that comes out, down, and in. And then one more here. We'll go up, over, and then down. Let's make a few oval shapes on here so it looks like a chain. And then we'll make just like a long rectangle shape right here. And then, just for some detail, we'll add a couple little lines on the ends. And there you go. There is your drawing of Mikey from the new Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Mutant Mayhem. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.